हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग। उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब अच्छे होंगे। द बुक थीफ रिटन बाय मार्कस ज़्यूज़ैक, चैप्टर नंबर 55, पीस। इसको ज़रा एडजस्ट कर लेंगे, फिर उसके बाद शुरू करेंगे रीडिंग। अगर नहीं दिख रहा है बराबर से तो आप मुझे बताइए कि इसको कैसे सेटलमेंट एडजस्टमेंट कैसा करें इसका। ओके, थैंक यू माय व्यूअर्स सब्सक्राइबर्स। बराबर दिख रहा? ठीक। As just after 11 p.m. that same night, Max Vanderberg walked up Himmel Street with a suitcase full of food and warm clothes. German air was in his lungs. German air was in his lungs. The yellow stars were on fire. When he made it to the fraud dealers, he looked back one last time to number 33. He could not see the figure in the kitchen window, but she could see him. She waved and he did not wave back. Nigel could still feel his mouth on his forehead. She could smell his breath of goodbye. I have left something for you, he did say, but you will not get it until you are ready. He left Max, but he did not come back. He had walked from her room and silently shut the door. The halfway murmured, he was gone. When she made it to the kitchen, Mama and Papa stood. Crooked bodies and preserved faces. They did been standing like that for the 30 seconds of forever. Duden dictionary meaning 7. Ski when vegan silence. The absence of sound or noise. Related words quiet, calmness, peace. How perfect peace. Somewhere near Munich, a German Jew was making his way through the darkness. The arrangement had been made to meet Hans Huberman in 4 days. That is, if he wasn't taken away. It was at a place far down the Amper, where a broken bridge leaned amongst the river and trees. He would make it there, but he would not stay longer than a few minutes. The only thing to be found there when Papa arrived 4 days later was a note under a rock at the base of a tree. It was addressed nobody and contained only one sentence. The last words of Max Vanderberg, you have done enough. Now, दिख रहा ना दोस्तों बराबर से? नहीं दिख रहा तो आप मुझे कैसे अरेंज करते बताइएगा, कमेंट्स में ज़रूर बताइएगा. Now, more than ever, 33 Himmel Street was a place of silence, and it did not go unnoticed that the Duden dictionary was completely and utterly mistaken, especially with its related words. Silence was not quiet or calm, and it was not peace. यहाँ पे होता है हमारा चैप्टर नंबर 55 ख़त्म. मिलेंगे हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में विद चैप्टर नंबर 56 फ्रॉम द बुक द बिग बुक थीफ. बाय फॉर नाउ फ्रेंड्स एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच. और मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइए कि ये बुक स्टैंड कैसे यूज़ करते हैं और इसमें क्या क्या चेंजेस करना चाहिए, मुझे कैसा रखना चाहिए, बराबर से दिख रहा है नहीं दिख रहा है क्या है, सब आप मुझे कमेंट में ज़रूर बताइए. थैंक यू, बाय.